Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin in Binance US. First, you will need to set up and verify your account on the Binance US platform. This process typically involves providing personal identification and can take a few minutes to complete. Once verified, ensure you enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. Finally, link your preferred payment method, such as a bank account or debit card, to fund your account easily. Now that your account is ready, it's time to fund it. Navigate to the Wallet section and select Deposit USD. You can choose to deposit funds via ACH transfer from your linked bank account, which is often free but can take 3 to 5 business days to clear. Alternatively, use a debit card for instant deposits, though this usually incurs a small fee, typically around 1.8%. Decide which method best suits your needs for speed and cost. With funds in your account, you are ready to buy Bitcoin. Head to the Buy Crypto section on the Binance US platform. Select Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Enter the amount of USD you wish to spend, for example, $100, and the system will show you the equivalent Bitcoin amount. Carefully review all the order details, including the price and any fees, before confirming your purchase. Your Bitcoin will then appear in your wallet. After acquiring Bitcoin, consider transferring it to a more secure storage solution, like a hardware wallet, especially for larger amounts. This offers greater protection against online threats. Always stay informed about market trends and best practices for cryptocurrency security. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals we've found for you. Happy investing, and thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.